sandwiches are so satisfying and very delicious. I'm going to show you my recipe. Boil 2 eggs. Prepare a cucumber and a tomato. When the eggs are cooked, put them into cold water. That's perfect. Add mayonnaise and pepper. I have some mutton slices. A little more cumin and pepper to taste. Cut off all brown sides of the toasts. Pile up all the ingredients. Cucumber adds a nice crunchy freshness. Well, they are great! Milk and tea are good friends. They love each other. Bake for 10 minutes. Well, breakfast is served. Bon appetit!